If your short form videos are not getting views, that means you are uploading your short form video in the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your short form video so that you can start getting massive views on your short form video for you to easily go viral on your short form videos. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the step by step on how to upload the right ways to upload your short form videos so that you can start getting massive views on those your videos. The things that you need to set up before you upload your videos, and the app that you need to use to upload your videos. So I'm going to be walking you through this step by step on how to upload your short form videos. Then I'm also going to show you how to drive traffic from your short videos to your long form videos so that you can start getting massive views through the traffic that you drive from your short form video to your long form video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that I can be able to get the step by step on how to go through this process so that I can start getting massive views on your short form video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different skills on how you can grow your business and also how you can work from home and make passive income for yourself. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And also, if you find this video interesting, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop a nice comment on the comment section so that others will see this video. So let's dive in. So to upload your video so that I can get more views for the shorts, what you need to use to upload the video is, you don't need to use your Google Chrome to upload your short videos if you want to get more views. So you are going to make use of the app. Open the app, then you click on this and the plus sign to upload your short video. Then I'll click on done. So you click on next. So this is one of the good things about you using the app to upload your files. It gives you that opportunity for you to add your thumbnail. But if you upload your short video with a desktop, or you use a Google Chrome to upload your short video, and this icon will not be there for you to add your thumbnail. So that is one of the reasons why you need to upload with the app on the phone, because your thumbnail also attracts people to watch your video, to click on your video to watch your video, because it's your first bit of attraction. So that's why you need to upload from here. So the first thing, I will enter my title. So I've already copied my title, so I will just paste my title here. Then the next thing, you cannot add your description here. So after we have uploaded here, then we are going to go to the next. So you don't need to put your video on the public, so put your video on list, or you put it on private before you upload. Then you click on related videos. Now I said that you can, from this your short video, you can drive traffic to your long form video. So for you to drive traffic to your long form video, you need to make use of this feature, related videos. But if you use your computer to upload your short videos, or use Google Chrome to upload your short videos, you will not see these features on that platform. So you click on related video to add that long form video that you want to drive traffic from this your short video to. So you go and select that video that you want to add to, so that once this short video finish, and this video will pump up, so the person will continue watching your video. This will increase your watch hour. So I want to add this video. I will click on it, so you can see the video now. This is the long form video that I just add now. So you don't need to do much things on this first stage. If you want to choose your thumbnail, you click on this barrel icon, then you can select your thumbnail. Just be scrolling till you get to that place where you want to use as your thumbnail. So you can see the importance of using this now. If you upload with your desktop or your computer, you will not see this feature. So once you are done, you click on the good sign, so you can see now. Then once you are done with all the settings here, then you click on upload short. So you have to cross check everything to make sure that everything is okay before you proceed. So I'm going to click on upload short. So you have to hold on for some time for it to upload the short video, and then you proceed to the next step. So after you have uploaded your short video on the YouTube app, so the next thing is for you to go to your YouTube studio. So go to your YouTube studio, then go and look for that content that you just upload now. So this is the content that we just upload now. So you can see that it is not yet live yet because I unlist it. So what we are going to do is click on these three dots by your right hand side to edit. So you click on edit. So it will bring you to this interface. So the first thing we are going to do here is to add our description, because if you upload with YouTube app, you will not be able to add description. So you can see that this option, if you come to your YouTube studio, it will give you that access for you to add your description. It will also give you access for you to add your playlist. So you can see your playlist here, where you can add your playlist. Another opportunity that this is also an avenue that you can use to get more of views for your videos. So playlist is very important. So if you have not created a playlist, make sure you create a playlist for your videos and categorize them into different playlists. So we are going to add a playlist and we are going to add a description. So let's start with the description. I've already write my description. I'm just going to copy and go and paste. So I'll paste my description here. So let me show you one important thing about what you will add in the description. So this is very important because this the short video that you are uploading is related to your long form video. So you just cut a part from your long form video to do this your short video. So after giving a little brief description of your videos, what the video is all about, then you add on this place. So watch the full video here, then you can see add the title of the video here of the video. Then you go and copy the link of that your long form video and add it here again. They can come to the description of this video, then they can click here for them to get access to that long form video. Once you are done, you click on this arrow that points back for you to go back. So we have added our description. So the next thing is we are going to add our playlist. So you click, then you select the playlist that you want to add it to. You click on done. So once we are done with everything, then the next thing is we click on visibility to schedule it or to make it go live. So we are going to click on. So I want to schedule this video. If you want to publish it immediately, click on public, then you publish it, but I want to schedule it, so I will click on schedule. Then you go and choose the date and the time that you want to use to schedule it. So once you are done with setting up the time, then you go back, then you click on save. So this is how to upload your short form video for you to get more views and for you to drive traffic from your short video to your long form video. So if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop a nice comment on the comment section. This will also help to boost on this video so that more people will see this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime we upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.